Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save YouTube Shorts to playlist. It is a fast and easy tutorial. If you watch a Shorts video and move on to the next, finding it again may be next to impossible in the barrage of new Shorts lining up in your feed. I will show you how you can add YouTube Shorts to a playlist. First thing, open your YouTube app from your phone. After that, look for the small profile icon and tap on it. So, to save your Shorts to the playlist, just tap on your videos. After it has opened, tap on Shorts. These are my Shorts and here is where your Shorts will be displayed. Now to save to a playlist, simply tap on the three dots, then tap on Save to Playlist. At this point, you will have to choose which playlist you will save to. Then after that, tap on Done. Next, I will show you how to save other people's Shorts to playlist. So, I go to my history and tap on View All, after it has opened. Now to save to a playlist, simply tap on the three dots, then tap on Save to Playlist, choose which playlist you will save to, then after that tap on Done. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.